Hey guys, Kickflip Crow here. Today I'm here in the workshop. Um, I'm gonna show you how to make a ham sandwich. Uh, I accidentally already made it, so I'm just gonna show you how it was made. So let's take a look here. So we got two cool slices here. Um, you can see that it is in fact a two cool slices. It's not actually four. I know it kind of looks like four, but that there's two full ones here. So after you got your cool slices, you're gonna want to get your cheese. Well, this one has cheese. You don't have to put cheese on it. Um, you don't really need cheese for a ham sandwich. But also, uh, instead of besides the cheese, there's also ham. Because you need ham for a ham sandwich. Now, some people would say that you could have a ham sandwich without ham. But I would usually prefer my ham sandwiches with ham. Um, Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, just let me know in the comments and let me know how your ham sandwich turned out. That's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching.